Good afternoon, folks. Mike Wells, your World Explorer. Today is August the 22nd, 2023, and we're looking at our cucumbers. I want to show you what the loopworm does to the cucumber. Okay, it's the leaves. They eat away at the leaves like this. They eat away at the leaves more, and you'll see if you look at the leaf. You'll see all this stuff on the leaf, and you'll see these leaves eaten away like that. And it's very disappointing. But if you look in here, you can see one of the loopworms right there. He's just actively eating away. So I'm going to squish him. Now, you can use BT Thuricide to kill these loopworms. They like to create nests right under the leaves. And then they turn into a cocoon and fly off and go create havoc somewhere else. But yeah, look, there's probably, let's find another one real quick. There's got to be another one in here somewhere. Oh, I think I found him. There that one is. I don't know if you can see that little guy, but he's little. Really tiny right now. And you can really see him. There he is. Terrible. They will decimate your cucumbers and your squash plants and all that beautiful stuff. There he is. But yeah, I'm going to take that BT Thuricide, mix it with water. Then I'm going to spray it all up in here onto the leaves. Betcha there's one under here somewhere. Well, there was. He took off. Here's one right here. Look at that. These guys are terrible. Anyhow, folks, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe as that helps the channel grow, and stay tuned as I'll keep you updated on the progress of these cucumbers. Have a good day.